Every Challenger owner knows the stock manual throw feels like stirring a bucket of rocks. This Hurst Billet Plus claims to fix that sloppy feeling and deliver race car precision right into your hand. But does this iconic brand still deliver the goods in the modern era? Let's find out. This isn't just a replacement stick. It's a serious piece of engineering designed for performance. The foundation is a solid billet aluminum base, which immediately tells you this thing is built to handle serious abuse and eliminate flex. They paired that robust base with a heat-treated steel gear selector mechanism. That combination of aluminum and steel means maximum durability and zero slop, ensuring that every movement you make translates directly to the transmission. The real magic, however, lies in the functionality. This is a short throw shifter, meaning the distance you move the lever between gears is dramatically reduced. But what truly elevates the experience are the adjustable positive gear stops. This feature is crucial because it allows you to fine-tune the shifter to prevent overtravel, protecting your transmission synchros, while giving you that satisfying mechanical asterisk clunk into gear. It's precise, almost surgical. The stainless steel rotating pivot ensures the action is smooth and consistent, shift after shift, transforming the driving experience from a casual cruiser to a true performance machine. And of course, it's Hurst, so the aesthetics are spot on. You get that iconic look, the chrome-plated stick and the classic white knob. It's a beautiful blend of modern brushed aluminum engineering and classic muscle car style. The silver finish and the classic style look absolutely perfect inside a Challenger cockpit, blending high-tech materials with that essential vintage feel. If you drive a manual Challenger and you crave that direct, mechanical connection to your transmission, this Hurst 3,916,020 Billet Plus is more than an upgrade, it's a necessity. It delivers on its promise of precision, durability, and classic style. It's the definitive short shifter for the modern muscle car enthusiast.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.